integration by substitution. We have an example. Find the integral of 12x squared times the square root of 4x cubed plus 7 dx. So, in order to find the integral of this, kailangan hanapin natin yung u, kung alin yung kukunin nating value ng u. So, in this case, yung nasa loob ng radical sign, yun yung kukunin nating u. So, that is equals to, i-rewrite ko muna. Integral. That is raised to 1/2 dx. And then, kunin natin yung value ng u. Let u is equals to 4x cubed plus 7. So, ibig sabihin, yung du is equals to 3 times 4, that's 12x squared, derivative of this. And then dx, dahil yung dx na to, sa ilalim, magko-cross multiply, mapupunta doon. Okay? So, pwede natin i-substitute yung u dito. Meron tayong integral of 12x squared times u raised to 1/2 dx. Ilipat muna natin yung 12x squared dito sa bandang harapan. So, integral of u raised to 1/2 12x squared dx. So, itong 12 squared dx, kailangan natin makita that 12 squared dx is equals to du. So, ibig sabihin that the integral of u raised to 1/2 and 12x squared dx is equals to du. So, this is the u. So, pwede na natin i-integrate yung u kasi pag du na yun nandito, pwede na natin i-integrate yung u using power formula. U raised to n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. Huwag kalilimutan lagi yung c. Every time na nag-integrate, nandoon yung value ng c. U n is equals to 1/2. Ito yan. So, ito, 1/2. 1/2 plus yung 1, pwede na natin sabihin na that is 2 divided by 2 all over 1/2 plus 2 over 2 para pareho na ulit yung denominator. Pwede na natin i-add. So, this one is equals to 1/2 plus 2 halves, that 2 over 2. That is u raised to 3 halves over 3 halves. So, pwede na natin i-substitute yung u. Dahil alam natin yung u is equals to 4x cubed plus 7. So, u is 4x cubed plus 7 raised to 3 halves all over 3 halves. So, meaning, pag kinuha natin yung reciprocal, mapupunta doon sa ibabaw yung 2. So, mangyayari is 2 times 4x cubed plus 7 over 3. So, ito na yung final answer. Kalimutan nga pala yung plus c. So, lagi may plus c, huwag kalimutan. Okay? That's all, class. And magandang araw sa inyo lang.